Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Port, where we tell you regarding the shipping information in day-to-day maritime business. Today we will discuss regarding the recent accident and tragedy, and we'll try to know what are the reason or the causes for such incident. Recently on the Spirit of Norfolk, which is an tour boat which was broke out on fire on the Norfolk Harbor, USA. More than 100 passengers were evacuated and the crew assisted in the firefighting. It seems that the tour boat was berthed at the pier very safely and the passengers were evacuated. So, what are the main reasons of the boat or ship accident? One of the major reasons for such an fire in the boat is due to an outdated engine. Second is the reason or probable reason is that when the fire is originating from other boat nearby or aside to the boat. Third cause we can discuss is the faulty installation of the cables in a boat, which may cause an short circuits and lead to fire. Fourth reason may be due to leaky lines of engine fuels or and a lubricant which are used in boat engines. So that's all for all the possible causes of the fireboat. This was just an the knowledge regarding the what are the possible causes with and recent example of the accident. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and come back to our other video next time. Thank you.